Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you 2 easy ways to check your assignments. Let's start with the My Assignments page. This is your go-to place to see everything assigned to you and when it's due. From anywhere in Birdview, click this icon to access My Assignments. Here, you can view all your assigned activities and sort them by start date, end date, priority, project, or customer, whatever works best for you. On this screen, you'll find helpful tools like the search bar to quickly find tasks, the I'm done button to mark assignments as complete, assignment names, start and end dates, and actual hours tracked, manual time entry, and a built-in stopwatch. If you are looking for a broader view, head over to the Activity Center. The Activity Center gives you a customizable overview of project and activity data. Use columns to choose what information you want to see, like status, deadlines, or assigned team members. To focus on your assignments, apply the Activity Assignees filter. If you're an administrator, you can even create new activities and projects directly from here. Whether you use My Assignments for quick task management or the Activity Center for a full project overview, Birdview PSA makes it simple to stay on top of your work. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit the Birdview Knowledge Base